Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Anshika Mishra. Let's look at today's top medical news. High testosterone linked to risk of atrial fibrillation study. In a study published in journal eClinical Medicine, part of the Lancet Discovery Science, researchers examined the association between testosterone level and the risk of atrial fibrillation in men. Atrial fibrillation occurs when the heart's upper chambers beat irregularly. Atrial fibrillation is the most common type of heart arrhythmia, according to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. The CDC also estimates that by 2030, 12.1 million people will have atrial fibrillation. High testosterone level have been associated with an increased risk of atrial fibrillation. Testosterone may influence the cardiovascular system through various mechanisms, including its effect on inflammation and blood pressure regulation. Elevated testosterone level have been linked to changes in cardiac ion channels and electrical activity, which can predispose individuals to abnormal heart rhythms. Additionally, testosterone has been implicated in promoting cardiac fibrosis, which may contribute to the development and progression of atrial fibrillation. In the aspirin in reducing events in the elderly, which is the ASPRE study, researchers analyzed data from 4,570 healthy male participants aged over 70 with no history of cardiovascular disease or thyroid cancer.
Are you also aspiring to excel in medical journalism and delve into the intricacies of health and medical reporting? Explore our comprehensive course on medical and health journalism available at the Medical Dialogues Academy. Learn from industry experts who possesses in-depth knowledge and experience in this field. For further details, scan the QR code provided or access the link in the description box below.
Over an average follow-up period of 4.4 years, 286 men developed atrial fibrillation. Researchers divided serum testosterone level into quintiles to examine the relationship between testosterone level and atrial fibrillation incidence. The study revealed a non-linear association between testosterone level and atrial fibrillation incidence. Men with testosterone level in the highest quintiles had a greater risk of atrial fibrillation compared to those with average levels. This association persisted even after excluding participants with heart failure or other major cardiovascular events during follow-up. It was independent of factors like body mass index, alcohol consumption, diabetes, and high blood pressure. As patients age, testosterone levels drop. Starting at age 30, there is a 1% reduction in testosterone levels annually. Some patients who start off with relatively high number may never notice any changes in their energy, their mood, or their sexual performance. However, patients generally complain of symptoms starting around the age of 40, and it's appropriate to test their levels. It's important to not just treat a number but actually treat the symptoms that patients may be experiencing, said Mehran Mowakkasi, a board-certified urologist and director of men's health at Providence St. John's Health Center. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.